Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to look at our schedule and we're looking at Tuesday. I know we did on Monday, we did This Camp's Not Fun. Yesterday we didn't get to do life skills, so we're going to do them today, which is for Wednesday. But we're going to do fast food restaurants, pages 14 and 19. So our life skills is about fast food restaurants, guys. Let's go down to pages 14 and 19 so that we can discuss. Let's see here. Right here we have restaurants, fast food restaurants. So fast food restaurants, guys, that's where you would go to order food, buy food. It's quick, it's fast. Like you have McDonald's, you have Jack in the Box, you have Churches, you have Little Caesars. There's a lot of fast food restaurants. So fast food restaurants is food that make your food quick. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about fast food restaurants, and then we're going to answer some questions. So let's begin. At a fast food restaurant, your food is ready as soon as you order it. A menu board behind the counter shows prices of food that you can order. So right here is where you will be looking what you want to eat. What do you want to order? And it'll have prices in case you have questions. Cashiers type your order on a computer and tell you how much to pay. So your cashier will put in your order and tell you how much it's going to cost you. Then the cashier puts your food on a tray and it's ready for you to get it, to eat. After paying for your meal, you take the tray, find a place to sit, and then some fast food restaurants let you pour your own drink. So right here, you get your order, you sit down, you get your own drink, whatever flavor you want, so that you can get ready to enjoy your meal. Put a lid on top of it, on top of the drink so it does not spill, and use a straw to drink it. Use napkins when you eat. Some restaurants put napkin holders on every table. When you are done eating, empty your tray and put it in the trash bin. Fast food restaurants are good places to eat when you're in a hurry. So fast food restaurants, like I said, they make your food really fast. So let's look at these questions. We have 5 questions. Number 1, a menu board. So circle the answer. Number 1, a menu board. A shows prices of food, B shows prices of rooms, or C shows prices of tickets. Circle your best answer. Great job. Let's look at number 2. What does the cashier at a fast food restaurant do? A combs and cuts hair, B gives you a key to a room, or C puts food on a tray and gives you your money. Circle your best answer. Awesome job. Number 3, use a blank when you eat. So right here, you're going to write the word to complete the sentence. So what do you use when you eat? You use a napkin. Now, let's challenge ourselves. Number 4, when is a fast food restaurant a good place to eat? So in your own words, I want you to tell me, when is a fast food restaurant a good place to eat? Is it great when you're taking your time, or is it good whenever you're going fast? You're in a hurry. Yes, great job. It is when you're in a hurry. Number 5, you're going to answer by yourself. What is your favorite fast food restaurant? My favorite fast food restaurant is Chick-fil-A. They have awesome waffle fries. What is your favorite fast food restaurant? Answer the question in 1 sentence. Once you are done, take a picture, submit it for a grade, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me via text or voice clip. Good luck!